In this video, I'll show you how you can add a link in Canva. Now this is really simple, guys, and you can do this either on a text or on anything else. So what you want to do is you simply want to click on where you want to add the link. So let's say you want to do it on this text. It could say YouTube or whatever. Then you want to click on it, click on the three dots right here, and there should be a link. Now you can also hold down Control and press K, as this will do the same. So press link, and then what you want to do is simply type the link, or you can also choose some of your other Canva stuff. But if I just type in youtube.com and then I press done, now you will see this will take me to youtube.com. So that's basically how you can add the links in here. Now you can also do it on shapes. So just right click and link right here, or you can click on this and link. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now it's really simple, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.